Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful 2-layer bow in Bowdabra, so let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I've cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Now I have these 2 beautiful ribbons, and I'm going to first just double them and dovetail the ends. So we'll just dovetail these here, and I'm going to just dovetail these ends here. And we're just dovetailing by cutting from the fold to the corner. And you have the beautiful dovetailed ends. So then what I'll do is I'm just going to take my first one, fold it in half, lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my second ribbon and fold it in half and lay it into my Bowdabra. Just lay that down there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm using about 3/4 yard for the tails, and I've got approximately 3 yards that we're going to make the bow with. So all I've done is just doubled up my ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it and push it down into my Bowdabra. I want my the inside to be my burlap ribbon. So I'm just going to fold that over, twist it, and put it into my Bowdabra. So all I'm doing here is just folding and twisting. And I just want to measure this and make sure these are the same length, which they are. And then I'm just going to measure by the size of my loop. So we're just going to fold and twist and fold it back and twist. We're just going to continue, fold and twist. So it's very, very simple. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel below and follow us on Facebook. And let me know what kind of bows you'd like me to make in the comments, because we can pretty much do any kind of bow that you would like in the Bowdabra. And if you have a bow that you have a picture, so the last loop that I'm going to make is going to be a half a loop. I'm just going to make it half the size of the other ones, and I'm not going to twist it this time. I'm just going to make a little, almost like a mountain in the middle, and just scrunch that down. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, take my Bowdabra wand. I'm just going to give everything a really good push into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my wire, and the reason I folded it in half, because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out so we're not fumbling with the bow, and I'm just going to pull it tight in the front, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie a knot, and I'm going to tie another knot. Now this would be a great bow for a fall wreath, or to put in a centerpiece. So we're just going to just shape this out here, and I'm going to just clip this end here because I don't need these pieces here. And so we're just going to bring everything out. Now I'm using 2 wired ribbons, which are great because they're so easy to form. And we've got 4 loops on each side and our center loop. And I'm just going to fluff this out a little bit so you can see a little bit of the 2 ribbons. And bring that over here. And bring this one here. And bring these down. So I don't need to have both ribbons totally showing, but just a little tidbit of both. And you have an absolutely beautiful, super simple double layer bow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.